Ready to dive into the world of Ethereum and grab some ETH for yourself? We're here to walk you through buying Ethereum on Binance, step by easy step. First things first, head over to Binance and click on the sign up button. You'll need to create an account by providing your email address and choosing a secure password. Make sure to follow their password requirements for optimal security. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. You'll typically need to provide personal information like your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to upload a copy of your government's ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Now, let's add some funds. Binance offers various payment methods. You can connect your bank account for auto transfers, use a debit card for quicker purchases, or opt for a wire transfer for larger amounts. Choose the method that works best for you. Once your funds are deposited, navigate to the ETH/USD trading pair, or whatever currency you prefer. You will then want to find the buy section. Here, you can specify the amount of ETH you want to purchase. You can choose between a market order, which executes the trade immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Double-check all the details of your order, confirm, and you have officially bought Ethereum. Your ETH will now be in your Binance wallet. You can access it at any time.